Let's talk about campaign. I'm talking about most people, when I say a campaign, they're thinking about an email campaign or email list. What if you could reach your customers, whether it's a brick and mortar or whether you're affiliate marketing or anything? What if you could reach them and they would look at it within 90 seconds? Because if you send an email, they may take days to look at your email. But a lot of people, and think about yourself, when you get a text message, what's the first thing you do? You usually look at it pretty quick. As soon as your phone goes ding, you're like, okay, who is that? And if it's some junk, you deal with it later. If it's something important, you look at it. So think about that. Why not do a text messaging marketing with using a software called TextMagic? What if you could reach somebody, and somebody you could, whether it was some kind of like a list, like maybe it could be stuff that's on sale. Maybe you're brick and mortar and you're trying to get more people in the door, and you got them to come in, and they signed up with their email and their phone number. So why not be able to reach them with a different type of campaign to where they're going to look at it quicker and sooner? What if you're trying to get them in the door, say, maybe your restaurant lunch specials? Hey, you got a lunch special on Tuesday, and you want to let everybody know, hey, this is what we're having. Or maybe you're a brick and mortar, and you're trying to offer sales like for Wednesday or Thursday, and like 20% off, like on a coupon or something if they use this code. Well, you can send them all that stuff. Why not send them notifications, alerts, reminders? You can do all that stuff with TextMagic software. Let's just take a look at it. Just look at it right here. TextMagic software is for business. I said, you can use it, just like you would if you were using Aweber or GetResponse to send out email lists. Instead of an email list, it's a text message that you're sending out, by using this TextMagic software, and you'll be able to get more people. They're going to read it faster. Because just think, how many times when you get a notification on your phone, how quick do you look at it? Most people are going to look at it within, say, 90 seconds. That could be you. You could be missing out on sales right now if you're a clothing store or, some kind of store where you want to give out coupons and you want more people in the door. Well, you can do alerts, you can do reminders, you can remind people, hey, we're having a sale on Friday, or lunch specials. It's endless. Let's just take a look at this software. You can start for free if you wanted to, and check it out. It is great. Let's just look at some of the stuff. It's got great reviews. Check it out. Mostly 5 stars, almost 5 stars. You can send text online. You can use it for a PC, Mac. Two-way SMS, so you can chat with your customer. And just look at all the features that this thing has to offer. Like I said, you can send text online. You can do two-way SMS chats. You can email to SMS. You can schedule text messages. So in other words, you can schedule this stuff in advance when you want to try to reach your customer and get them in the door at a certain day. Like, let's just say if Mondays and Tuesdays are slow and you're trying to figure out a way to get more people in the door, well, maybe you can send something out Sunday saying, hey, we're having a special on Monday and Tuesday, and you can schedule all that. So you don't have to worry about trying to fool around with it all at one time. You can import numbers, text. You can do your list. It also does two-way verification. So if you're worried about security, they can do all that. You can do email lookup and validation. I already talked about the two-way factor authorization. SMS marketing campaign. You can do this. You can use this just like you do any other email campaign. The only difference is you're going to reach more people and faster. Because like I said, most people are going to look at their text message pretty quick, probably within 90 seconds, I would say. It's pretty quick. You get a free trial. The pricing depends on where you're at. Here in the U.S., it's like basically 4 cents. But I think if you get in there, you can do a better deal. Depends on where you're at. But there's no account fees. Pay as you go. So you can put some money on there, send some stuff out, and see what you get. Then if you don't like it, like I said, you only pay it when you use it. You're only using it. You're only going to put a little money on there when you decide, hey, I want to do a campaign. And you will reach more people. There's no, your credit never expires, so your money never expires. You can cancel anytime. There's no surprises. There's no hitting fees. It's money back guarantee. This thing, all you got to do is create a free account. And if you want to get started with it, you can load some stuff, load some prepaid on there or whatever you want to do, and you can start sending out messages. And I'm telling you, it's great. It's 4 cents. Look up carrier and to see. I'm just telling you, this will be a game changer especially if you're a brick and mortar and you're trying to reach more people. More and more people now, when you go into a business, they want you to put your email address. Well, they're going to send you stuff, coupons or anything like that, specials. But if you really want to reach people, a lot of people now they want your phone number, and they're sending out some kind of message to you. It could be just like your doctor. If you go to the dentist, at least mine, they're always sending you notifications. When you got to go. This is your date. Confirm all that stuff. More and more people are sending out text message because they know people read them faster. It's not like an email where you walk into a place and you sign up with an email. Well, that email that you're using, it may be one that you don't check that often, so you're missing stuff. Text message, you get them, and you're definitely going to check it pretty quick. And if it's something that's nonsense, you'll delete it, but you at least check it. And people look at it and say, "Oh, you're having a sale. You're having some kind of deal going on." So why not take a look at TextMagic for your business? Because I think it's a game changer. And I think it's going to help, especially the brick and mortar, or if you do webinars and you're trying to set up webinars and you're trying to get people to join your webinar, instead of sending an email, send a text message, because you'll reach more people faster than you will by email. That's just the way it works these days. Everybody's got their phone in their hand, and as soon as that thing goes ding, they're looking at it. Oh, I got a text message. So if you want to help your business and grow your business, just take a look at TextMagic. It's free to sign up, and it's no hassle, none of that stuff. It's pay as you go, not put a bunch of money on there. So if you're only going to use it a few times a month, then you keep a little bit of money on there, just enough to cover what you're doing. So it doesn't take a lot of money up front to get started, but it's a great software, and I highly recommend it, especially if you're trying to get started, and if you're tired of messing with email campaigns, try TextMagic. I don't think you'll be sorry. I think you're doing your business a good. It's going to grow. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, like and share, and I'll see you next week.